So here we have a sample of the VLR140. This is the 4-foot luminaire. The way it comes standard from the factory, it's a with an integral driver attached to the back. What you'll see is that from the factory will come with a 2-foot or 3-foot whip. If you need that whip to be longer, we can do that. And this will go directly to the junction box. If the junction box is next to the fixture on the wall or the floor, obviously the electrician will trim that and this will be the only portion attached. However, this fixture can also be remote. The driver can also be detached from the luminaire, and this could be remote mounted. So the way we do that is that this enclosure, which is an IP rated enclosure, will be, we can do up to 150 feet in length remote mount. And then the fixture will become surface mounted, which we can provide with surface brackets at the end. And then the fixture itself will be connected to the junction box directly. So if you have that, then there will be no wires exposed. This could be either wall mounted or mounted underneath. For instance, we've done this as a rail mounted luminaire, and we have some rail mounted brackets so it can go up into a surface aiming down, or it can be also mounted on a surface aiming up. And we've done this as well where we can provide a C channel where it's sort of like a recess into it's meant for not walkover, but it can be recessed in aiming up. So these are the different alternatives we have for the VLR, so you don't have this exposed, where we take the driver to a remote location, and then the fixture itself becomes surface mounted and then attaches directly into a junction box, and then you have brackets on each end to mount it directly. Obviously, these brackets that you see here go away. You'll have this custom brackets to make it surface mount, and I have drawings for that if you need it.